Hi, this is Tracey from GiftBasketAppeal, and today I'm going to be using this packaging from my husband's dress shirt, and I'm going to turn it into some type of decorative paper. And I'm going to use this Dollar Tree flower stamp to do it with. So let's get started. So I normally don't like to throw paper like this out, especially if it's like a sturdy paper. It came in the packaging with my husband's dress shirt, and he actually threw it in the trash. And I was like, oh no, I can use this. And so I thought, let me make something that's kind of like spring, that looks pretty, and turn it into some kind of paper that I can use maybe in my card making. So let's see. So I'm going to use this Pixie dust color, and it's the Catherine Pooler ink, and I thought that it would look really nice. So I'm just going to kind of stamp this out. And I was wondering, what should I do with this? And so why not create some type of pattern here and see what we get. Because with this being white, you can use it for gift tags or whatever you want. And let's see, I'm going to just keep stamping out on here and see what I get. Turn this around here. So there are certain stamps that make the perfect background. When I saw this one repeated over and over, you can make a really nice effect on this. And so it's no longer just a white piece of paper. I'm just trying to ink this up really good and just kind of stamp it in no particular order. And so you see what I'm doing? I'm just creating my own background to use in some of my other crafting projects. Because sometimes you just use what you have. So this is just another idea. So I'm going to go ahead and keep inking this up, creating my pattern, and then I'll come back and show you what we're going to do with it. Okay, so here's what we have. So that plain white piece of paper now has pattern to it, and it's kind of like a cardstock, kind of a packaging type feel to it. And so I'm just going to take this part off right here, and this part right here to me looks like it can be gift tags. So many of you have asked me if I use a template, and I don't when I'm doing gift tags, but these two, to me, this can be 2 gift tags right here. So I'm just trying to get as much as I can out of this paper. And yeah, that's kind of off right now, the way that looks. So I'm going to just cut this right here. Cut that part. Cut a little bit of that. And so now I have the gift tag. Let's see. Line that up across the top there. So basically a rectangle and cut on each side. And punch a hole right there. And now I could either color it in, add a few things, maybe add a flower up there. Just to give you a feel of what I would do with it. So there's a lot of treasures going into the trash, and we can reuse this. And this pattern is so pretty for spring. So if you have anyone having a spring birthday, or maybe Mother's Day gift tags, no one's going to know that this was the packaging for a shirt. Okay, so that's what I have so far. And so with the other part, let's see what we can do with that. And I'm going to show Bill what I did with this so that he can see why it's not good to throw out some of the stuff. Let me just cut this part off right here, because that looks like that could be another tag too. So I'm just going by the shape that I see here. This can also be used in a card if I wanted to. I'm just going to hold on to that for right now. Okay, let's see. So that might be a background of a card. I don't know yet. This can actually be a bookmark too, because it's sturdy enough for that. But I see me making a card or something for this. So let's see. I'm going to run it through here and cut some of this off. Let's see, maybe, yeah, this could be a card base. That's what I see me doing with this. Cut that off right there. I don't have an exact measurement. I just know that this would look really cute. Maybe on a spring card. Make a card base out of that. And take this one too. Oh, let me cut it this way. Use more of it. And I'm just cutting off the extra pieces that wouldn't work for this. Right about there would be perfect as a card base. Put this on your, let's see. Put this on your card base. Put this as your artwork. Maybe put some stitching around it. Maybe put another layer. I would actually layer it with another color. A softer color around here, possibly. Or let's see, you just try out different things until you see something that works. Something like that, possibly. Just giving you some ideas. Got that. This can be used as maybe a mini gift tag. Move that away. See, I like to use everything. It's a little mini gift tag. Don't want to cut too much away. All right, so you got 1, 2, 3 little gift tags here. Card base, a card base, more little gift tags. This one can be more rounded. I don't even use a template. Sometimes I do, but you don't need one. You can cut these shapes out. Something like that. Now you've got a couple of things there that you can use. And these I might just throw into my scraps, I don't know. But at least you've used most of what you have to create something different. So now all of these will actually go into my stash. Put some strings on there. You can actually use some stickles or something. Let's see. Let me get one of these. Ooh, maybe something like this. If you want to make a little mini card. This will be cute. Let's see. You can take this. This is like a purple. Use some crystal drops. And this is like a purple color. And just maybe drop some in there. Right in the center here. And now you've highlighted it and given it something else. And these will dry. They're just like little pearls. So pretty. So you got that. Another thing you can do is take one of the gift tags. And I know I'm going kind of fast here. I'm reaching for my markers because I don't want to think about this. I just want to have fun. Let's see if you can really see this. This looks so sparkly. Not sure if you can see that. So now you've created your own pattern paper. You can take some of the markers. Let's see, that's pink. Let's go with maybe a greenish color here. And so just by changing the inside of this just a little bit, You're adding more color to it. And this can be that whole nother part of mindless crafting. Just adding a few things to this. See, where else can we add? So now you've got, just by adding a little bit of extra color. You got two colors going pretty good together. Oh, that looks good. And so now you've changed it again to something else. And you can stamp these out in black. Black and white looks really good too. And then add in whatever color you want or just leave it plain. And then you can add little gems and pearls to this as well. But I see this as coloring. You've got an image on there, you can color it in. It doesn't take a lot of time to do this. But I just wanted to show you what was possible with using some packaging. Wait till I show Bill what this looks like. I'm going to ask him, do you know what this was? See if he remembers. You can put a lot of details in this too. This is fun. Ooh, that's pretty. Now that is pretty. And you see how it just changes the look? Here's the other one. So now you've created your own patterns on those. Super cute. So I just wanted to show you what was possible. This one is still drying. Got your little mini gift tags. Got your background paper. So now you've created, you can have a bunch of little projects you can work on. So I hope this inspired you, just showing you another way to use this Dollar Tree flower stamp. And I'll see you real soon. Bye.